So as price is trading at the implied dealing range is 75%. It's just taken buy side there inside this macro. We tested the 1 minute, sorry, the 1 month liquidity void low right there, which is April close. May open is here. So after buy stops are swept there, we want to see this open, get traded to right here. Nice. And fair value would be down here, but we also have a new level of fair value coming at 11. And you see price digging into this up candle, this body right there, using it as resistance. And a very small close above this 1 minute order block. And it's just finding support here, which is a bit strange. So we at least want the price to come back to the big figure, 27.8. And so far, that's the type of reaction you want from an implied dealing range, quadrant level. So I'm just gonna take a partial there because if from premium we want to go up to fair value, then we don't need to go down here. And this could be the discount array that takes us back up to this level of fair value. So either way, we can get another we can get another short later on. And I don't think this is a bullish breaker. I mean, what type of sell side pull did it take? To me, that's not a bullish breaker anymore. And if we start seeing moves like below this low and stuff like that, that would validate this to me as a Judas swing, and I'd anticipate continuations much lower to 50%, the 3 month range, and to the on the daily chart, we've got the minus 60 look back sell side liquidity, which would be at 27,388, 382. So it's good that we just guaranteed that little bit of profit, and the rest is still running in our favor so far. But here is where we're testing our whole idea. Are we bearish right now, or are we actually bullish and are going to use this area here to go up? There's that big figure right there, which this bullish fair value gap sits on in a discount, and we see this test off a discount. So it looks like price could go back up to the open for the regular trading hours fair value. And from discount, went straight to premium, and from premium, we start seeing more bullishness. We could probably aim for fair value up here. From discount to premium, premium fair value is up here for the red line, which is midnight open, and also it's relatively even highs. So we just need to watch out. This here is pivotal. This particular macro here is pivotal. Bullish fair value gap, close above premium. Fair value is up there, but we've got fair value here as well at 11, which I literally just missed. Bam. So from fair value at 11, it failed to go to a discount on the regular trading hours, but it's in a discount of midnight. So it should seek a discount, which is a lower low here. Objectively, all it to me is bearish fair value gap, buy stops taken, and sell stops should be next. Objectively, looking at it, which is the idea I went for. But I'd like to see this area break before I enter short again, which is also going into this bullish 5 minute fair value gap. And there is discount based on the regular trading hour session. Just tapped there. Bam. Discount. Back in a premium. Premium. Fair value. Fair value. Where does it want to go? Discount. From buy stops, where would it want to go? Sell stops. So where are sell stops? One there, two there. So into this breaker, and we need to see if this holds. Breaker, order block, bullish fair value gap. In a discount. Fair value's up here. Buy stops are up here. We've retested a daily level. And there's about 100 handles just hit on this trade based on the implied dealing range quadrant level being resistance, coupled with this 15-minute fair value gap and breaker that lies on top of it. Aha. Okay. So from fair value it went to discount, and discount is in a premium, and it's respecting this breaker, order block, and fair value gap in this macro. So we might have to switch sides now. We might have to switch sides. I'm not convinced. I'm still not convinced. There's 4 down candles there that just got the open got blasted. So 50% of this 4 down candle run should hold, which is right there where we are now at 809.5, 0.25. If we're bullish. So after that run and then this trade below this candle's open here, you see that right there? The open got traded to very quickly. It's showing, to me, it makes me feel like the daily is in control here, and price wants to go much, much lower, but we just can't go for feelings. We need some more evidence. Like, I'm sure a lot of buyers are in that right now. But that's like an Elliott wave trade that is just due to get spanked out. It's a phantom, trendline phantom. Since we didn't breeze through this order block and we've just met it like a roadblock and we're respecting it too much right now, I kind of want to close the short in profit. But I have to remember that this is based on the daily implied stealing range. Bam, stopped out. So it looks like we're going up now, back to fair value, because we've got a minimal trading in discount there. I mean, what a weird session. It goes up and then it goes down, and it's just wicking. So being ahead of time like that, I'm proud of that. Just by noticing the support found at this bullish order block, making me want to change from having a runner to just having the profit. So from premium, actually, it's gone to fair value over here. Let's try get long here anyway. We shouldn't go to this discount if we're correct. And we'll aim for fair value here at the open. Because to me, that's more even highs engineered and minimal retracements into discount here. So those are the times where we know premium goes into it goes into premium and doesn't go to discount. It goes straight to fair value. Might as well take a profit there. So again, took a profit here because this could still be in the valid setup. This being the implied dealing range on the daily. Yeah, it could still be the valid setup, but after that bullish fair value gap, we could go to fair value, and yeah, we could have made the low already for the session down here. And after trading above these four consecutive down candles there and seeing price respect the low here, told me that that was a change in the state of delivery, and anytime we should see price push up. Premium to fair value. Premium is here to fair value, not premium to discount, premium to fair value. So another term of discount is below 50%. So what is below 50%? Well, we got 0.618, or in this particular setup, we can use 0.382, and it's there. So our stop loss could literally be there because that is a bigger discount, and that will give us a level of 1 to 3, or yeah, about 1 to 3.5 risk to reward ratio. And that is just going off the idea that this is equilibrium. It's not discount. Discount would be below equilibrium, down here at 382, right? So I'll just stay on the recording and see what happens here. Just at 11, fair value. It's gone to discount, opened in discount, traded down into this support, and we got three discount arrays: the breaker, the order block, the fair value gap. To discount, from discount to premium, and then from fair value being in a discount, premiums go to this fair value now, having minimal retracements here and finding support here. And I just took a partial there on this candle because if price shoots up that quick, that could be just a trade, you know. Willing to sit through this and wait for a bullish order block to bullish fair value gap to form to say, okay, yeah, I will hold this trade. No, I just take the partial there, and if it holds, then good, even better. I'm not gonna sit around and wait for potential bullish gap. But re-entries anywhere here, completely valid. I know it's easy saying that after the fact, but re-entries here completely valid because we've came out of discount, and from premium, we shouldn't see discount, we should see fair value up here. And potentially even higher. From sell stops, we should see potentially buy stops. The amount of Asia low people in profit now that try to get the breakout, they all need to be mitigated out. Where would their stop loss be right now? Their stop loss would be here at fair value. I mean, we got an up candle there, an up candle there. That gap in between, there's no up candle. So up here, and we might as well just use the 9:30 open. And looking further right, it looks like we're on the way up there. This being the first presented fair value gap. It is fair value, a form of fair value. And this is a form of premium based on the range from the current day's high to low. From this range right here, that's 50% that we just tapped. It doesn't matter how big the range is, you can always identify these levels and you can always count on price having some similar form of pattern. Fair value to discount, discount to premium, premium to fair value. Bam. Hope you enjoyed that as much as I enjoyed watching that. Taking two trades here, bam, and a long here, bam.